Firstly, I'm going to start by discussing one of the biggest mistakes founders make with manufacturing. One of the most common misconceptions is that manufacturing work begins after you already have a working prototype. But in reality, manufacturing should be considered much earlier in the development process. Unfortunately though, it is common for manufacturing to be an afterthought for many people. The issue with it is it leads to problems which can include parts being too complex to manufacture, assemblies being too difficult or expensive to make, designs failing to meet regulatory requirements and hence can't be legally sold. This is why experienced product development teams always consider design for manufacturing principles early in the development process to avoid these exact problems. And that's the whole purpose of design for manufacturer. It helps ensure that the product can be produced reliably, efficiently, repeatedly, and profitably in large volumes. To help ensure your product will be successful when in manufacturing, it's best to first confirm that the product is technically viable and commercially attractive. So rather than jumping straight into production, development should move through structured milestones that are there to progressively reduce both technical and commercial risks. The goal is to prevent you from getting into a situation where you have a warehouse full of products that you can't sell. That's really the worst case, where you've already invested a maximum amount of time and money to achieve a minimal or maybe even no return at all. We want to do the exact opposite in general, and that is to put in the minimal amount of effort to get the maximum amount of return.